안녕하세요.
How are you?
I'm excited. I'm really wired. I don't know why, but I'm really good.
Really?
Yes. I just had my dinner.
네.
And then also the weather is pretty perfect.
그렇죠. 날씨도 뭐 근데 오늘 요즘엔 좀 쌀쌀하긴 하지만 it's a
Yeah.
little chilly on the chillier side these days, but still spring
Okay.
is I guess like officially here.
Okay.
Flowers are blooming and everything. 그래서 I'm glad that you're enjoying
Okay.
the warmer weather that we're having.
Okay.
네.
You look a little bit exhausted.
I mean
폭삭소가수다.
네, 감사합니다.
Yeah.
네. 그렇게 그 뭐지? 그 I have to reply like that, right? 누가 그렇게 말했으면 뭐 감사합니다라고 해야 되나?
그래가 고생 좀 하고 있습니다. 그럼 아니 폭삭
네.
소가수다.
네.
이게 제가 제 환자분들 중에서 소가수다.
하고 있습니다. 네.
예, 이게 제 환자분 중에 제주도 분들이 많으세요. 예, I used to work in near 영도 area.
네네.
The population in Yeongdo, about 30% of population is from Jeju Island. And
Interesting.
30% of them is from Jeolla province.
네네네.
And 30% of them from Busan area. It's a combination of three provinces.
I see. So this is, like the Jeju the dialect and everything. It's not something new to you. I only watched the first episode. I had a hard time understanding.
Oh, yeah.
네. 자막도 틀어놨는데도 네, 좀 어렵더라고요.
Yes.
네. I think that's why my wife decided not to watch with me because I kept asking her 뭐라고 하는 거야? 무슨 뜻이야? 네.
She doesn't want to get interrupted.
Exactly.
Okay.
Right? Nice. Well, Dr. Ryu의 아재 영어 타임 건강상식 코너 왔는데, but we always kick things off with an 아재 개그. 네. 항상 그렇게 시작하는데요. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right. So, Dr. Ryu,
Yes.
take it over. What do you got for us today?
Okay, there's a lamb.
Lamb.
If it's frozen.
Yeah. 네?
If it's frozen.
A frozen lamb?
What it becomes.
In Korean?
It's
It's in Korean. 얼양. 양얼. 얼음양. 얼음양?
similar.
양얼음?
It's the name of a city or district or some. It's
양-
famous for 불고기.
불고기? 뭐라고요, 피디님? 언양.
Yes.
언양.
썰렁했죠.
네.
예.
그렇습니다.
Yeah.
네, shout out 언양.
That's what I'm supposed to do because the 아재 개그 is supposed to be really kind of a corny and
맞아요.
cringy.
네.
Yeah.
You've done your job. You've done your duty.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
저도 언양 가서 불고기 그냥 고기 먹어봤는데 맛이 다르더라고요.
Yeah, a little different, and then also I wanted to try raw 그 육회 비빔밥.
네.
Yeah, that's really cool.
I draw the line with UK.
Okay.
I eat my steak really rare,
Uh-huh.
but I can't do UK for some reason.
Oh, that's quite oxymoron. Contradict is paradox.
Kind of a little bit. Yeah, I don't know why. Just
Okay.
조금 이렇게 it just needs to look like it's cooked for me,
Okay.
right? That it needs to fool my brain somehow. But anyways, thank you, Dr. Yu, for today's 아재 개그. Now getting to today's topic, 건강상식. What do you got for us?
오늘은요. 보톡스에 대한 건데요.
Botox.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
보톡스. 제가 20년 동안 보톡스를 했거든요.
이렇게
시술을.
이렇게 뭐지 원장님이 보톡스를 줬다 or 받았다?
I perform
네.
botulinum toxin
네네.
injection therapy onto my patients.
Okay.
I've been doing it for the past 20 years.
Yeah.
And also, sometimes I do it on my face.
Interesting.
Yeah.
네.
근데 제가 맨 처음 시작할 땐 우리나라에 botulinum toxin이
네.
브랜드가 딱 하나밖에 없었어요.
Uh-huh.
근데 지금은요, there are about 16 companies.
I didn't even know there were brands when it comes to Botox.
Okay.
I thought Botox was just Botox.
하지만 여러분들 이거는 정말 아셔야 되는 게
네.
there are 16 companies out there producing manufacturing botulinum toxin A, but about 70, not 70, 57%, 57%,
네.
they're about to be, canceled.
Really? Like
Yeah.
bankrupt?
예,
Like
나
closing?
bankrupt 그게 아니에요.
Oh,
우리
like
그래프를 잠깐 볼까요?
네네네.
그래프를 보게 되면요.
네.
이 그래프에서 우리나라에서 만드는 모든 보톡스 제품들이
네.
무수히 많은데
네.
그 중에서 절반 넘게 다 취소인데요.
Oh.
취소가 되는 게 이제 because they allegedly violated GMP.
Okay, so that's what you mean by
Yes.
basically, they didn't get the approval from our countries, which, like Safety and Health and Drug Administration.
That's right. They don't abide by the good manufacturing practices. Like
네.
sometimes they are falsifying or forging documentations.
Gotcha.
And also producing toxin differently than what they are authorized, what is authorized, and adding improved substances. So that's the thing that you should keep in mind. So and also the major the company it's like the Samsung or LG in the Botox industry. Those three.
It's like the major players when
Yes,
it comes
major
to
players.
Botox.
That's right. Major players when it comes to Botox, they are in it's the process of being in the process of being 이게 법적인 절차로 취소가 될지 말지 결정이 아직 안 난 상태인 게 좀 많이 있어요.
So they're under review.
Under
right now.
review.
Okay.
That's right.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're going to get to details of Botox, especially here in Korea, because this is my opinion. I am not for like injecting or putting in just unnatural things into your body. Like, you know what I mean? But that's like most of what is supposed to be like 성형, like plastic surgery, right? So I think today, because people know the reasons why they use Botox,
그쵸.
but can we get into like the details of like the effects of actual Botox, like prolonged use, injection of it, like what it's supposed to do, but then maybe like side effects of it as well. This is all everything I'm curious about when it comes to Botox.
Okay, when it comes to covering all those topics, all
Yeah.
those situations, it might take about 7 days for me to talk about. But I'm gonna just pinpoint several key tips.
Okay, sure.
For you guys, for
네.
audiences, keep in mind. The first of all is if price is too good to be true, you gotta ask why is it so cheap?
맞아, too good to be true.
Yeah.
이게 진짜이길 너무 좀 놀라운 그 정도 가격이면,
Yeah.
right? That means you have to 좀 a little bit suspicious. 이거 좀 sus,한데라고 요즘 애들 말하잖아요.
그렇죠.
sus,하다. 네.
예.
So it's a little sus, right?
Yeah.
Why? I mean, what? Okay, you using Botox still on
Yeah.
your patients, then what's like the going price of Botox these days then?
Well, I bumped into some kind of advertisements.
Yeah.
One
Like, what's like the
botulinum-
average?
Yeah, average. It depends upon the area. It depends upon the amount of the botulinum toxin.
Okay,
So it
okay.
varies from 10,000원 to
Yeah.
10만 원, 15만 원,
I
something
see.
like that.
I see. So for our listeners, let's say you're getting Botox injections and you're going clinic to clinic, and like one clinic in particular is like I don't know, like half the price of like the usual price. Then you should be a little suspicious. Is that what you're saying?
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because then they might be using, like you mentioned, unapproved types of Botox.
Or something that's been diluted long ago.
맞네요.
And so the next thing you gotta ask when you wanna treatment on your face, what product are you using?
Okay. So the type of Botox.
Yeah, type of Botox.
the clinic is using.
Yes, and the third tip is it the bottle freshly opened today or not?
Oh, like the Botox packaging?
Yeah, Botox packaging. Because when it's reconstituted means adding saline into the bottle and then put it in a syringe. And if it stays there for maybe 7 days or 12 days or 2 weeks, the efficacy, the drug efficacy drops down about by 50%.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and the fourth tip is if you know the brand name, don't switch between brands too often.
Just use what you've been using.
Yeah, that's right. Because
그 영어로 brand loyalty라고 하잖아요.
loyalty.
Brand loyalty. So being loyal to a single brand,
예.
right?
근데 이게 왜 중요하냐면요.
네.
버틀라인 톡신이라는 그 자체가
네.
되게 it's very unstable.
그쵸.
unstable해서 the key technique or key high 그 cutting edge chemistry some manufacturing companies are come up with is how to stabilize all those kind of botulinum toxins. That's what matters. Each company has their own unique antigen
Sure.
that stabilizes the botulinum toxin. Those antigens are responsible for producing immune intolerance or immune intolerance or tolerance, tolerance, immunogenicity, which
Yeah.
means 내성이 생기게 하는 거예요. 그래서 브랜드를 이쪽 브랜드를 맞다가 또 저쪽 브랜드를 맞거나 또 저쪽 브랜드 맞을 때
네.
나중에는 이제 내성이 생기니까 아무 브랜드를 맞아도 효과가 없는 거죠. 예, 그러면은
Makes sense.
Yeah. So speaking of tolerability,
Yeah.
내성이 생기는 경우는
Yeah.
자주 맞는다거나,
네.
그다음에 브랜드를 번갈아서 맞는다거나, 아니면 많은 용량을 맞는다거나,
네.
특히 300 단위 이상. 예. 근데 이 버칠란이 이거는 톡신이기 때문에
네.
우리가 그램수로 안 하고 유니트라는 말을 쓰거든요.
아, 오케이.
예, 유니트라는 거는 실험 생쥐한테 100마리한테 줬을 때에 50마리가 죽었을 때의 그 용량을 1단이라고 해요.
네.
예.
오케이.
예, 그런 개념이에요. 예, 그런
got it,
개념,
got it, got
그런
it.
개념으로 1단위, 2단위 이렇게 100단위를 하는데
네.
300단위 이상 맞았을 때에는 내성이 생길 위험성이 높고 브랜드를 가를 때에는 또 내성이 생길 위험성이 높고.
근데 이거는 항상
Yeah.
you should consult with your doctor.
Yeah, that's right. You should
Right?
consult your
이거는
doctor.
그냥 개인으로 이렇게 해야지 생각하는 것보다 always talk to your doctor about this, right?
Yeah.
I see. So, couple tips to keep in mind if you do get Botox injections or maybe are about to start. But Dr. D, a question for you. As a doctor that specializes in the nervous system, right? What does the nervous system and Botox, how do they kind of like
Okay.
connect?
Botulinum toxin first used a long time ago, maybe 50 years ago, when an eye doctor was seeing a patient with diplopia. Diplopia means blurred, 복시죠. 물체가 두 개로 보이는 거거든요.
아, 네네네.
사시가 된 거죠.
네.
한쪽을 마비시켜서 똑같이 보이게 하는
Kind of like double vision?
더블 비전 해가지고
Okay.
고치려고 이제 시도가 됐고
네.
이게 이제 효과가 있다는 게 증명이 됐고요.
어허.
그다음에 이제 주름살에 하는데 신경과적으로는 migraines, migraine headaches, 편두통 있는 사람들한테 뇌신경에서 그 우리 스컬에서 뇌신경이 나오는 이 길이 있거든요.
네.
그 신경, 그러니까 집으로 말하면 집에 쥐구멍이 있는데 그 쥐구멍, 그 쥐구멍을 통해서 편두통을 일으키는 나쁜 물질이 나오는데 그
네.
쥐구멍에다가 바로 보톡스를 쏴주면은 쥐구멍으로 이제 들어가서 보톡스가 이제 신경 톡신, 즉 통증을 일으키는 걸 차단할 수 있어요.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I always had the notion that Botox was just, to all for just your looks, basically,
Yeah.
just superficial, changes that you want. But for like things like migraine,
Yeah,
as well
migraine.
as, right? You mentioned even for like sight.
Yeah.
아.
그래서 또 많이 있어요. 보톡스가 편두통 때 쓰기도 하고요.
네.
또 하나 이제 그 사경이라고 고개가 이렇게 돌아가시는 분들한테 써가지고 고개를 똑바로 이렇게 맞춰주기도 하고요.
네네네.
그 다음에 방광이 과민해가지고 방광이 오줌을 참지 못하고 계속 쏘는 경우, 계속 잔뇨가 있어서 계속
네.
오줌을 자주 보러 가시는 분들한테 써가지고 방광을 확장시켜가지고 그것도
Yeah.
치료할 수 있고요. 뇌졸중으로는 아니면은 소아마비나 이걸로 인해서 이렇게 근육 경직이 됐을 때 그걸 풀어주는
Yeah.
그런 치료도 사용이 되기도 하고
Interesting.
골고루 사용되고 있습니다.
Yeah. Oh, Dr. Yu, real quick, last
Yes.
question. And because we're on the topic of Botox, because, people say, if you get too much Botox, right, then like your face and wherever you're getting your Botox, that might change too much into something that you didn't want in the first place. Can a person have or get too much Botox? Like in terms of injections, what might be like a big negative side effect of it?
Okay, if it goes over 500 units,
Yeah, like we mentioned, right?
yes, you might not breathe.
Not even able to breathe?
Yeah.
How does that happen?
그래서 어린애들한테 너무 주게 되면 이게 근육 마비시키는 거니까.
Ah,
It paralyzes all our muscle. Yeah.
Okay, so that might spread into other parts of your body. You're
That's
saying.
right.
무섭다.
The worst case scenario is drooping eyes.
No, no, no.
You couldn't.
이거를 보고 사람들이
Yeah.
많이 like don't do it. A lot of people are saying that with like the droopy eyes.
Yeah.
But
And
even
also
more
swallowing
severe than that.
difficulty.
네.
swallowing difficulty. So
네.
that's why you need to see very experienced doctors.
Oh yeah. Interesting. Well, good to know as well, because we see a lot of people see Botox as just like a like a normal thing, like a common thing, right? Nothing to like sweat about.
Yeah.
But it's good to know that there are these things that you do need to keep in mind when it comes to using and partaking in Botox.
저 처음에 시작했을 때 엄청
네.
사고 많이 쳤어요.
Oh,
Trial and error.
Dr. Yu, that's not the best thing I want to hear from a doctor.
Okay, but thankfully, botulinum toxin, you can get it healed, you can get it
네.
recovered
네.
on its own because in 3 months, the botulinum toxin, it
네.
clears up from your body, out of your body.
I see.
But I'm pretty much experienced.
now, right?
right now.
좋아요. 자, Dr. Yu, thank you so much. That will do it for today's Dr. Yu의 아재 영어. We'll see you back here next week, okay?
네, 감사합니다.
네, 수고하셨습니다.